This is a magical moment captured by Zhang Yuyang, an associate researcher at the South China Sea Institute of Oceanology, Chinese Academy of Sciences, in the early summer 2024. He captured the coral spawning in the nearshore waters of the South China Sea. Chinese scientists have successfully developed major coral reef restoration techniques, including the cultivation of hermatypic coral larvae, coral propagation by fragmentation, and coral transplantation.
We use coral nurseries to cultivate more coral individuals. Corals grow much faster in nurseries than in their natural habitats, up to 2 to 3 times faster.
Between 2016 and 2021, Zhang Yuyang and his team conducted coral reef ecological restoration near Sansha's Zhaoshu Island, transplanting over 30,000 corals and restoring about 5 hectares of reefs. The research team returns annually to monitor and maintain their growth. During the most recent visit, the restoration zone's coral coverage was measured at 67%, more than 3 times higher than in 2020. The improved coral habitat has also attracted many marine creatures to make it their habitat.
The clownfish and sea anemones have been there since we started the restoration. It's truly gratifying to see the area gradually grow.
Driven by his love for the ocean, Zhang, once a poor swimmer, devoted himself to coral reef research.
I've always loved the ocean. The ocean is home to the most diverse and beautiful coral reefs.
Coral reefs are a vital marine ecosystem, playing a key role in protecting coastlines, maintaining biodiversity, and supporting the global carbon cycle. Over the past 20 years, the research team at the South China Sea Institute of Oceanology has conducted coral reef restoration in areas such as Hainan Sanya, Wanning, and the Xisha Islands, transplanting over 100,000 corals and restoring more than 300,000 square meters of degraded reefs.